How many times have you guys ever forgotten the keys for the house, or locked yourself out of the house, or you're in your brain, oh, did I lock my house? Did I really took my keys? Did I misplace them? For me, it has happened a couple of times. I am tired of carrying keys everywhere and being constant in the worry of to confirm if I lock the house, or when sometimes I'm coming home with bags of groceries on both of my hands and my hands are full, I just feel irritated to look for the keys in my bag. And that's why for today we are going to be partnering with WELOCK. They have sent me a lock here that we're going to be opening and seeing what they have inside, and the best part is I'm going to be installing this lock by myself. Let's get into it right now. You can see from the box, it doesn't feel cheap at all. The lock itself looks like this, and from the top you can see you can use a fingerprint code, application, the card, or through Wi-Fi. I don't know how that one works, but we'll get into it and see how it works. Let's open the packaging for real. Very nice. So let's take a look what we have inside this beautiful box. Hey, how it is. I open it. I'll make it this way so it's easy for me. The first you come across is the manual. This is the top thing. They have the instructions, everything, how you to install, how to set the date, time. It looks beginner friendly, the manual. It's easy for somebody who has no experience, to maneuver through it and install it. Like me. It has a sticker here. The sticker will go on this. They have this, the smart lock thingy, the screws, the cards for sure, the inside here. Okay. And let's take this out. Ooh. Oh my god, it feels very nice. It looks modern without being too bulky. The size it's decent. It's not too complex, it's not too huge, and this for sure it will fit nicely in an apartment, at Airbnb, or even a family home. Everything is catered for you inside here, what you need to use to install this. So long as you have a screwdriver, it's very easy for somebody to install. Here it also has the keys. It has this thingy. It also has this that you can use. So we have everything covered. Mainly it just needed a screwdriver, nothing much on this to fix it. It's nothing so complicated. That is how you're going to be installing the whole WELOCK door thingy. And thank God the instructions look beginner friendly. They're not complicated. I'm just a girl. I don't know how to do installation things. I'll be trying this because the installation process and the instructions are very straightforward. They're easy to be done, even by a person doing installation for the first time, somebody like me. So I'll not have a hard time doing this. So long as you have a screwdriver, I think you're pretty much okay to go. We'll get right into it and try to fix our door, and we upgrade our life. I put here some batteries here. And straight away it gives you option to choose the languages. It has French, Polish, English, Dutch, Portuguese, Italiano. It has 7 languages. It shows here the battery percentage and locking info. This is what we're going to be working with today. We have to remove this one and this one and put the new one to see how it's going to work. Here one screw is gone. Then next we have to remove this. This is my magnetic tray, so when I put here my tools, I can't lose them. And I'm going to be cleaning here. I'm taking this also off. Now the final screw, we remove this one from here so we can release the lock, and we try the other one from WELOCK. Now we release the lock. So it opens, so you can start the installation process. This for sure, it's going right here. It goes pretty much easy. That was it. It comes through the other side, and I think I don't have to adjust anything from the other side because it fits perfectly. Only need to shield from the other side. This is the final look of how it is after the installation. This is from the inside of the house. This is how it looks from the outside after the final installation. And you're going to try to put this to do the setup. So first you're going to try to test this initial unlock test. We're just going to press this, any button. It says you press any button and then you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that you press the unlock, and that's how it should happen. That voice shows you. So next you're going to try to modify the admin passcode. You have to press any button to wake up the lock, and then you press unlock 2 times, and then you press the passcode 3, 4, 5, 6. And then now I'm going to try to put my new passcode. Then you press lock, and then I put the new password again. Okay, that is it. It's pretty easy. This is how you do it. First you have to press the any button to wake it up, and then you press 2 times to unlock, and then you put your passcode, and then you press 1, 1, 1. Then now we're going to try to put the fingerprint thing. I'll put this. Okay, that was it. I added my fingerprint. I'm going to try to put this also to add this. Okay, so I'm going to press any button to wake it up. I'm going to press unlock 2 times, and then I'm going to put the admin this, and then I press 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll try to add these cards also. I'm here to show you different ways on how you can unlock the door using this WELOCK. The first thing is using the fingerprint. This thing, it's here above. Simply place your registered finger on the fingerprint sensor. Within a second, the lock recognizes your fingerprint and unlocks the door automatically. Let's do it together. First, you have to press this or any button, and then that's it. You can see the door is open. That was easy. No keys, no cards, just a touch of your finger, and it's easy to unlock. Next, using the access card, it comes with these 3 access cards, and that's it, and your door is open. Next, you can also use physical keys. WELOCK also introduces a traditional key for backup access. This is especially useful if the batteries are low or if you prefer the manual option. These are the keys. You simply insert here. It has instructions. You have to remove this. Oops. That's it. You put it inside the key. Then you hold the knob. You turn it to 90 degrees, and then you turn the key to 90 degrees, and then you turn the knob, this, not the key, and just like that it opens the door. It also comes with this in blue or black. I think I'm going to use black because all my door is black all the way from up to down, so I think I'm going to go with this for now. The fingerprint thing is more for me. I'll go for that. I'll be using it the most times, the fingerprint and this scanner. This will work very nice for an apartment, Airbnb, or also a family home. It fits all this. This will work pretty much good for homes. Like you can have a code for your children and you tell them, so you don't have to worry that they lose the keys. And for Airbnb, it's also good because from time to time you have to refresh the codes without thinking to change the locks. You know, if you have a key, it's easy. Somebody else can go and make a copy of your key and try to come. You know, you never know. But with this, it's easy to change the code. It's easy to maneuver with that. And also these things, I don't think it's easy for somebody to try to duplicate it and try to sneak around your house. So I think it's very, very safe to use for homes and also for Airbnbs, an apartment, home, Airbnb. It's a good choice for this. So that's it with the WELOCK. You can WELOCK. You can unlock it using your fingerprint. You can unlock it using the access cards, or you can unlock it using the manual key, the classic traditional way, or also you can use an application on your phone. I haven't maneuvered that, so I don't know how it works, but I'm sure it's also easy to work with that. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. If you want to purchase from them, the link is here down in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.